Hi, so this video is about prints and making prints from your artwork. So I've had quite a few questions within the Tabs Facebook group lately about people who want to make prints from their art but are just unsure as to how to go about it. So I thought I would just do a video explaining some of the basics, and we go into this a lot more detail in the Passion into Profit program. But if you decide you want to make prints from your art, then there are several ways of doing it. You can either scan the artwork in using a scanner or get it professionally scanned in. The important thing is it has to be a very good high quality resolution, because if you just take a picture with your phone, usually phones are 72 dpi and it's not crisp and clear enough. It's not captured enough information to turn that into a print, particularly if you want to go bigger with the print. So it's important that the actual photograph or the scan captures enough dots per inch, so enough information in the actual image. So as I said, you can get it scanned in either yourself using a good quality scanner or having it actually scanned in at a photographer's or a printer's, and they'll do it for you. The other alternative is to get a DSLR camera and learn the basics with that. And obviously you'll need some lighting to make sure the painting is lit evenly, so you don't get any shadows, any kind of shiny bits, anything strange, any colour hues cast onto it. Or the other option is to get a professional photographer to come out and actually shoot the pieces. Now these vary. You can also, take your paintings into a photographer printers and they will do it as well. These vary hugely in costs. You can find some photographers that are very reasonably priced and others are a lot more expensive. So it's for you to kind of do your due diligence, have a look at the quality of the work, and then find somebody who is priced appropriately. And then in terms of once you have your images ready for print and they're excellent quality DPIs and you're happy with the light, with the colour balance, etc., and they're nice and accurate, then a lot of people make the mistake of getting a run of prints made before they've actually started to sell them or before they know whether they are going to sell. Now, if you are a more established artist and you know your prints sell and they sell quite quickly, then you can probably say, okay, I'm going to invest in having 10 of these done or 15, whatever, that's fine. But if you're fairly new, the last thing you want to do is get a print run of say 50 or 100 prints made, because what happens is you are then stuck with those and all your profit and money is tied up in that run of prints, and you may sell a few, you may sell lots of them, but ultimately your profits and your money are tied up. So rather than doing that, what I recommend with the students in PIP is to have a fantastic e-commerce website and plug in a print-on-demand company. So what happens with that is a customer comes along to your website, they see an image that they want to purchase a print of, they place the order, you get paid, and then the order gets sent straight to the print-on-demand company, who then prints it, sends it to you, and you can package it beautifully and send it to the customer. That way, there's no outlay. You're only actually paying for the print once you've actually received the money for it. And it's a much better way round until you know kind of what numbers you are likely to sell. The other thing to be aware of with prints is you can do limited edition prints or open edition prints. So with an open edition, obviously it's an indefinite number, you just keep selling them continuously. And with a limited edition, it's exactly what it says on the tin, basically. You limit them to a certain number. Now, obviously, the lower the number of the limited edition, i.e. there are only 10 of these, the more costly you can make them. If you have a limited edition of 25 or say 50, then obviously it's not going to be quite as exclusive, so your prices won't be as high. There are also some other wonderful ideas that you can do with prints to kind of maximize how much you can sell them for. And again, like I said, we discuss a lot of those things inside the Passion into Profit program. But yes, that's it in a nutshell. Make sure the images are fantastic quality, great resolution. So either scan them or get them professionally shot, or use a DSLR camera. You can use your phone, and there's a particular app on the phone that takes pictures in the right format so that they don't degrade basically each time you open and edit them. And then, like I said, once you've got that bank of high quality images there and ready, you have a choice between actually going out and getting a bulk order printed or having them print on demand, where you just have the images stored on your website and you only actually get them printed once the customer pays you, which is my preferred option. And there are some superb print on demand companies, again, that I chat with you about in the programme that have really beautiful quality papers, so you don't have to compromise on quality if you go down the print on demand route. And the company I use and recommend is also able to do limited edition print on demand runs. So you just tell them what the limit is on that particular run and they will cap it to that. So yeah, if you get all the systems set up properly to begin with, then you can have a really kind of lean, effective and efficient machine that takes care of a lot of your art processes so that you can spend more time in the studio creating. So it's about working smarter and not harder. But yeah, I hope that answers your questions with regards to prints, and do look out for some more of these videos. I'm going to be answering the main questions that people are sending over to me as they come in to the Thriving Artist Business School Facebook group. So that's all for now, and see you guys soon. Bye.